wanted to worship God. But the King of England said no. So they decided to leave their land. On the Mayflower they did go. So they decided to leave their land. On the Mayflower they did go. The Pilgrims landed at Plymouth Rock, determined they would stay. With homemade plows and axes, they cleared the land away. The Pilgrim children had things to do. But when the work was done, they ran, they skipped, and they played games. It was time for fun. The Native Americans helped them plant their crops. And by the end of fall, they reaped a golden harvest. That brought food enough for all. After the crops were gathered in, they planned a celebration. And extended to their Indian friends a special invitation. The tables and the benches were set up in a row. And when they spread the food out, it was really quite a show. They all sat down together and bowed their heads in prayer and gave thanks for the abundance God had given them to share. When the party was all over and each went his separate way, they took away warm memories of that first Thanksgiving day. The end.